Welcome back to this week's video. Today I want to talk about making millionaires, or just making more. I'm making this video in follow-up from a TikTok I shared where I started talking about Jeff Bezos. In April of 2021, he was named as the richest person in the world. You may know him and his success as the founder of Amazon. But did you know these things? It's said that Bezos made his first business as a summer camp for 4th, 5th, and 6th graders called Dream Institute. He and his girlfriend both worked there and charged its attendees $600 a person. The summer before that, Mr. Bezos worked at McDonald's. Mr. Bezos graduated with a degree from Princeton University in computer science and electrical engineering. After Princeton, it's reported that Mr. Bezos worked at several finance firms on Wall Street in New York. He worked his way up to being D.E. Shaw's youngest vice president in 1990, but left 4 years later. In 2013, Bezos purchased the Washington Post for $250 million. He also owns his own privately funded rocket ship company called the Blue Origin. Amazon was founded in Bezos' garage. Said that Mr. Bezos' wife, Mackenzie, played a large role in starting Amazon. The couple did divorce after 25 years of marriage in 2019. At this time, Mackenzie did get 25% of the couple's stock in Amazon. Bezos almost named the company Cadabra. I had to read that again. Originally wanted to give the company a more magical sounding name. The company's first lawyer advised against this. He said that it sounded a little bit too much like cadaver over the phone. Bezos wanted Amazon to be the largest bookstore in the world, so he named it after the Amazon River. Mr. Bezos was in a helicopter crash in 2013. He became a self-made billionaire at 35 years old in 1999. In August of 2020, Bezos became the first person in modern history to accumulate a fortune of over $200 billion. That's it for facts you might not have. I was curious about learning more about the richest person in the world. Thought you guys might be too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.